Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I am going to model a very simple soda can, low poly can in Blender. So let's start. I am going to model it, unwrap it, and then texture it. So let's start. Hello friends, that's it. So here is our simple soda can model in Blender, model unwrapped and texture in Blender. So I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more modeling videos like this, and also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Okay, that's it. So this is our soda can model unwrapped and textured in Blender. So bye guys.